This is a tutorial video of how to turn your Verizon iPhone 4s into a Sprint iPhone 4. It's actually really simple. I'm just going to go through the steps and show you guys how to do that. First thing you need to do is connect via USB your iPhone 4 to your computer. So I'm going to do that really quick. Alright. As you can see, it's connected. You come to the computer. You're going to need to download an application if you have Windows. It's called WinSCP. If you have a Mac, you can download CyberDuck. But I already have that downloaded, so I'm going to go ahead and open that up. Let's see what I have here. Alright, so here it is, WinSCP. Let me close that in the background there. Okay. It's really simple. Here it says your host name, and the whole purpose of WinSCP, this is we're trying to get into your phone. You're going to need to drop a file into your phone to be able to have it start running on Sprint. So your host name, that's going to be your IP address that you're connected to. So first thing you want to do is connect to Wi-Fi. So I'm going to do that. Turn my Wi-Fi on here. Okay. Alright, connected to this network here, and right there you see the IP address 192.168.2.2. Might be different for you guys, but you're going to type that in right here, 192.168.2. Alright, username root, ROOT, password is Alpine. And you're going to go ahead and hit login here. Here you go, something like this pops up. And basically what you have on this side is what's in your phone. On this left side is what's in your computer, but that's not a concern. You're going to click on these two dots here to take you back to a different directory. And go ahead and go into the run directory. And right here, I'm going to basically drag in a file. So this file that we're going to drag in is called sprintbypass.pid. All you do is you take this and you simply drag it into this area here. Now I already have that in there because this is already unlocked for Sprint. So I'm going to hit cancel. As you can see here, I already have that file in there. To many, that seemed that what we just did is the hard part because you have to have this WinSCP and go logging in, but that's not too hard. So go ahead and close that. Now you're going to restart your phone and it'll be unlocked for Sprint. Now the thing is with Sprint is you need to have them be able to activate this phone right away. I mean, you have a Sprint phone, but you also want it to be activated. So it's really simple. What you do from now, you get it's called an application. It's called ESN Changer. It's really easy to get, and what that does is your current Sprint phone has an ESN number, and you're basically going to change this iPhone to that same ESN number. For instance, I had an HTC Evo. I took the ESN number from that and put it into this phone, so now Sprint basically thinks that I still have that phone, but all it is an iPhone that I made to think that it is the HTC Evo or whatever phone it is. It doesn't have to be that phone, but basically the phone that you have now for Sprint, you take that number and you use the same ESN for this. So Sprint doesn't really have any part in this. It's just gonna be activated. So that's pretty much it. Let me go ahead and go through some of the benefits of this. First thing I'm gonna do, I'll just turn the Wi-Fi off so we can see the 3G speed on this. Let's see, let's open up the internet. Now from what I've realized, it's basically pretty fast, just like any 3G internet out there, but I don't know, let's just type in something, KKOL, I don't know. Well, yeah, as you can see, it's going pretty fast, and I don't have any complaints about this. Let's see, phone call, let's make a quick phone call. Let's go ahead and call customer service, put on speaker. We should turn this on. Alright, so I don't know if you guys heard that, but let's see what else. Let's check the weather here. Weather app, everything pretty much works just like it would on a normal AT&T or Verizon iPhone 4. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, should I go and buy this buy a brand new Verizon iPhone 4, that's going to be pretty expensive if I want to buy it without a contract. Well, actually, what you can do, this is only going on for a short time. This is what I did. They're actually giving away the Verizon iPhone 4s for free for people to test out, and as a result of them giving their opinions on it, they get to keep it for free. And I would recommend doing this. You don't want to spend too much money trying to get a Verizon iPhone 4 and making it into your Sprint network. But basically, you need a Verizon iPhone 4 to do this because it's already CDMA enabled, and if you don't know about Sprint, it's also CDMA enabled. So the only way to get this to work is that you need a Verizon one. And yeah, I put the link below for that. You can definitely check that out. Another thing, I put a link below for the Sprint unlock instructions that basically includes how to get the Sprint bypass.pid file, how to get the ESN changer app, which you're going to need if you want your iPhone 4 to actually work on your Sprint. You get to keep your same number, which I thought was really cool. What else? Yeah, that's pretty much about it. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and leave a comment below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. But we're really excited about doing this. It took us a long time to get this unlock to work, and we finally did it. So please subscribe. We'll definitely keep you guys updated, and enjoy your iPhone 4s on Sprint.